Earn $400 daily with PayPal Money fast in 2021. Real proof with no limits. What if there was a way for you to earn hundreds of PayPal money in less than 60 seconds repeatedly? Another great thing is you can do this wherever you are in the world. This opportunity requires no experience at all. You don't need to invest money to get started because this is 100% free. All it takes is just a couple of clicks. If you don't have a computer, you don't need to worry because you can do this on your mobile phone as well. I'll be walking you through the process step by step, so please do not skip any part of this video so you won't miss out on very important details. At the end of this video, I'll also be sharing a secret bonus so you'll earn double. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. If you're wondering if this is a legit website, here's some proof and reviews for you. A review by Shashank from India said, "Today, I'm back with another payment proof of Paideera.com. I received my 6th payout and I'm very happy to share my experience." A review by Amal from Sri Lanka said, "I'm very happy to say this because I got my 3rd payment from Paideera. This is high-paying website. Paideera provided a lot of new features to earn more money. So please don't miss this opportunity. I highly recommend this website to my friends. Again, thank you so much, Paideera." And Lay from the Philippines said, "Hello. I just received my 9th payment here in Paideera.com. I didn't expect to receive it after 3 days. Here in Paideera, they pay you for your hard work. There's a lot more proof and you can find them here if ever you're having second thoughts." Again, I'll be walking you through all the steps, how you'll be doing this, and how you can get your payouts via PayPal. Now I want you to go to Paideera.com. Turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using the all-in-one solution provided by Paideera. To get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. By reading that, you can do this as a complete beginner. All you have to do is complete easy tasks and you don't have to leave your home for this. Also, this website has unlimited tasks for you to complete every day, which means your earning has no limits as long as you complete the tasks. They also have a referral bonus where you can earn money by inviting your friends. And then the instant payments where you can request the payouts as long as you reach the minimum, which is $5. Oh, and by the way, if you're learning a lot in this video, smash that like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Anyway, so this website offers different tasks such as sign-up tasks, where you sign up on different websites and offers to make money, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends. You can even write a review about Paideera where you upload proof and then you'll earn money just like this. People here who share their experiences also gain money by doing so. As I'm recording this video, there are now over 930,000 plus members who have completed over 7.877 million plus tasks, and over 1,516 payments sent to people all over the world. So stay tuned to learn more about this method. Right now, we need to create an account, so go over the homepage of Paideera and click on this Create an Account button. Then you'll be redirected to the page right here. Then all you have to do is type in your first and last name right here, your username, email address, and finally, your password. And of course, don't forget to confirm it. It's just that simple. And then you can sign up and create an account. Then right here, when you log into your account, you can see your username right here on top and you can see your earnings right here. So here in the dashboard, you can find a lot of things that you can do, like submitting different videos to make money. You can do different micro tasks. And right here, you can see here under tasks, there are a lot of tasks for you. It doesn't end there. Now, when we scroll down just below, you can see here the surveys which you can answer. These are just easy and fast surveys, then you can earn money just by doing that. You can earn more through surveys if you keep on watching, because I'll be teaching you a secret method. Aside from all that, there are also quizzes, as you can see right here. You can answer these quizzes for money. They also have referral commissions where you can refer your friends to this awesome website while earning money. Now let's start the demo. Let's click on one of the tasks here, and then you'll see this. You can see all the tasks which you can do and earn money. Now you can pick any of these. As you can see, there are tons of offers. If you're using your phone, you can do the tasks under mobile apps. Now let me give you an example. This one right here. All you need to do is download PayMaya and open the app. Then you'll earn 3.9 cents. As we scroll down, you can find so much more depending on your liking. You might be thinking this isn't a lot of money, but the thing here is, when you finish your tasks, your earnings gradually increase. The amount of your earnings will double every time you complete 10 tasks. That is why people all over the world are doing this and are using this method. They earn $30 over and over again while doing this. You see, by clicking on buttons, you can earn, especially if you're someone who has a lot of free time. You can do this easily. If you're bored, just go ahead to your phone and complete any tasks. Okay, now, under surveys, you can see a lot of surveys which you can do easily. Look at this, you can earn up to 50 cents. There's so much to choose from. Just go on and take a survey and answer a few questions, then you're good. In just a moment, I'll show you a technique that I use to earn much more. So let me click on this Take Survey button, then you'll be able to see this right here, the amount which will be given to you once you finish the survey. Then, sometimes it might be challenging to look for the actual questions since there are tons of ads here. But as you can see, this right here is the question. Now, you can pick any of this as long as you answer. Then once you select one, you need to look for the button which says yes. It's usually found at the bottom of the page. You might get annoyed or you might notice that there are a lot of ads, but they're here so that these ads will capture our attention. Once we click on one of these ads, this website will gain money from us. So you can just disregard them and click on the next button. As you can see here, it says scroll down to continue. Again, there are a lot of ads, but please disregard them and look for the continue button. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. Then you'll land on this page right here. As you can see, it's a new question where you'll earn the same amount. Now you have to answer it again. You can answer anything because it's just a survey. There are no right or wrong answers. Just like the previous survey, just look for the hidden button below. This process will continue until you reach the end of the survey. Now I don't want to waste more time, but that's basically all you need to do. Then you can answer more and more surveys right here, so you can increase your earnings. Now let me add another bonus tip for you. They also have this referral program where you can earn whenever you invite a friend. I don't normally do this, but I recommend you refer this website to your friends so you can earn and so that your friends can start earning now too. On this website, you can earn a lot, especially if you always do these tasks right here. The website has helped a lot of people to earn money on the side. This may not be a lot, but this method will surely be useful. And that's it. Before we end, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. Smash that like button and leave a comment down below.